Well, guys, it's Friday, December 23rd, 2022. This is my Mavic Air 2. I've had to switch propellers because I've crashed it a few times and it's been through hell, but it's hanging in there and it's dealing with these, I think 45-mile-an-hour winds like a champ. It's holding position. It's been doing this for like 10 minutes before I even started recording. I'm sitting in the car, nice and warm, and as you can hear, it's fighting to stay in position. The GPS is rock solid. It's one hell of a drone. Air 2. You can't go wrong with this drone. I just want to see how long it can hold position before my hand freezes. Move it forward a little bit. Move it back. Your maneuver is good. I'm gonna let my window up because it's cold out there. I mean, that wind is howling. I mean, you can see off in the distance. I'm opening the window back up so you can see. Y'all heard that wind blowing? Yeah. Got wind chimes blowing like crazy. Trees are blowing. Snow is coming down. And it's rock solid. Rock solid, y'all. Rock solid. That is one hell of a drone. Still one hell of a drone. Can't go wrong. Mavic Air 2. Best drone I ever had.